Okay, let's follow a single piece of data on its wild journey through the OSI model.
It feels instant, right? But it's actually a super complex trip for your data.
And that trip happens through 7 layers. It's all part of something called the OSI model.
So, let's start right at the beginning. The moment you click that link.
Your browser creates a big chunk of text with your request, headers, and all that stuff.
This is layer 7. It's where the app you're using writes out the actual message.
Next up, layer 6. It basically scrambles that message for security. That's encryption.
Then, layer 5 adds a session ID. Think of it like a name tag for your conversation.
Layer 4 chops the message into bits and adds a port number, like an apartment number.
You see what's happening? It's like a Russian doll. Every layer just adds another wrapper. Now for layer 3. It slaps on the IP address. That's kind of like the building's street address.
And layer 2 adds the MAC address. That's like the specific person's name at that address.
All right, our data is all wrapped up and addressed. Now it's ready to hit the road.
And now for layer 1. This is where it all turns into actual electricity or radio waves.
But here's the crazy part. That signal doesn't have a specific direction. It just goes.
Yeah, it's broadcast to every single device nearby. Your phone, your TV, everything.
So every device grabs it, checks the address, and goes, nope, not for me, and drops it.
Until the right device sees its own address and says, aha, this one's for me.
And now, the server starts unwrapping that Russian doll, but in reverse. And after all that, the original simple message finally reaches the application.
So think about this on public Wi-Fi. Everyone on that network gets a copy of your data.
If it's encrypted, they just see garbage. If not, they see everything. Kind of makes you think, right?